What's up guys? Short reaction video lang guys, katatapos lang. Game 4, Los Angeles Lakers and Oklahoma City Thunder. At ayan na guys, winalis na nga ng OKC ang Los Angeles. Lumamang naman eh. First quarter, second quarter, tinambakan. Third quarter, humabol, nakalamang Lakers. As many as 5, nag 90-87. Pero ngayong fourth quarter, naibaba at least one, palitan sila ng basket. Pero sayang eh. Yun talaga guys eh, winalis tayo, winalis. Thunder won series guys, 4-0, 4 wins to 0, and they will play with the winner of Minnesota Timberwolves and San Antonio Spurs series na 2-2 ngayon, bukas ang game 5. Yun talaga guys eh. Di natin alam kung ano mangyayari sa Lakers next season. Si LeBron, mag-i-stay pa ba? Mag-i-stay pa ba sa whole NBA? Mag-stay pa ba sa Lakers? Hindi natin alam guys. But congratulations sa Oklahoma City Thunder. Sadyang napakalakas talaga ninyo guys. Wala akong masabi. As in, that's it. That's sports.